Hi everyone. First of all, I want to say thanks and congratulations guys who already start using tripods in Edmonton, Toronto, Hamilton, Vancouver and Melbourne, Australia. And now I want to show you how to set up tripods in details, how to transfer line to the corner. Let's go to start. Just imagine this is your living room, and your living room has 4 different levels. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have to find the highest spot and install tripods, make this floor even. First of all, we have to find the highest spot on this room. How I am doing? So I use pencil, I use laser. The first need to turn on horizontal line, and then put pencil to the floor, to subfloor, and make a line. So this line is 0. I put arrow and show where is the bottom here, not here. Okay, so this is 0. You can put your laser in any spot in your room. Just start checking. Look, here is 0 point higher. It means this is the highest point, 1/8. Going here, this is even. Put here. This is now highest spot what we found. So make mark little bit. Visible, no? Sorry, table is moving. So no, okay. So here is spot. So now we have to check this. Okay, we can turn. And then we check here. Here. This line. This line higher than this. So here is the highest spot. You can mark highest spot. So from this spot we can install tripods. So we need to hold this room with this level. How it works? So here is the highest spot. You don't have to put tripods right here. Just install laser and laser line on the 0 here. So take tripod and put right here, and then put pencil on this plate and start lift it up this plate. So I need more. So this plate 1/16. This line, it should be under this line, not exactly, because we have different 1/16. But now it's exactly set up. So we put tripod in other spot, and now line under this mark. It's already set up. Take another tripod, put it on this spot, that's it, set up. Now have a look on the difference between plates, tripod plates and subfloor. Just imagine this is the wall and how to transfer same level to this hallway. Laser line stop right there. Look at this. And if when you want to put tripod right here, laser, you can take this line. How you can transfer? Easy. Just take the laser and put, for example, here. Line should be in this area, in that area. So take the same pencil, put it right here, and make mark. Put it on plate and make mark. It doesn't matter what's high here. Just right here. This is the level of this tripod what we installed before, or any other tripods. And then put pencil right here. Little bit. Sorry. Now we transfer line. Now we transfer this same level to this side. That's it. It's ready for leveling. I'm using this tripod for 2 years. It saved my time. I can make more precise job and make more money. So if you want to buy this tripod, you can find link in description. Thanks for watching.